Hello guys, it's Paul here, ITFT Computers, IT for Tomorrow. Today we have this Acer laptop which has issues with SSD, so this is the SSD which was inside of this laptop. It has failed along with all the files, so all the data basically is gone now. All the files, pictures, documents, like whatever, the whole lot, everything's gone. So please do the backup for your machine. Backup is very important. It's very cheap these days, so you can save some money for data recovery. It is possible to do data recovery, but it's not cheap. It's quite expensive to do the data recovery. It's a hard job actually. So we have replaced the SSD for this laptop. We've got Windows installed now, so it's basically the fresh Windows installation along with all the latest drivers and updates. We've done the full maintenance for this laptop as well, so the thermal compound has been replaced and it runs much better now. If you have any problems, any IT related questions, please get in touch and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.